Okay, hi. So we started a new job over here. It's cabin in on an acreage, and guys already start stripping it. We're gonna do double strapping on it, and then red standing seam will go on top, as well as we're gonna put installed a brand new skylight, and this cottage features same round gables as we had a few houses before. Now our gray standing seam. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. Okay guys, we have another prawn over here. Now we put our flashings, and as you can see, seamless our fascia and seamless gable, no screws, just nice folds. That's it. Okay, let me show you how it's done. So we get a piece like that. That's our internal gable with, see the hook, right? And then when we put our gable, it just hooks over and goes on a panel. Okay, so basically here is what we have in a transition between two slopes. So this part is a porch which sort of incorporated into the main structure. So what we did, we made a fold over here on this panel. Also, it's gonna be like, it's clipped on one side, it's gonna be clipped on the outside as well, right? And yeah, now we're basically gonna be recreating our fold over here. Okay, since we really do care about this transition, it's really important to make sure it's nice and tight at the transition point itself. So this one goes in, this one goes in. Okay, so what it gives us? It gives us seamless transition between two slopes. We don't have any extra flashings, so there is less chance of water to travel. Look over here. The only area the water can go is actually over here, but as soon as it comes over here, it's gonna be draining on a side wall and just gonna be gone. So okay, so now we got our first panels, two panels started on On this side, on a transition, as I told you last time, 165. So that's our transition connection part. Now this panel so all up. So today we installed our skylight. So basically, okay, nothing super complicated. Just got the box up to the measurements, so made an opening, installed it, and did a little bit extra framing all around just for the support of the flashings. And also we did some blue skin and covered it with paper. Paper will cut later when we just before installing of the actual skylight. Okay guys, wanted to show you this transition. You see we have pitch change to our porch, and so we're doing this pitch change with no flashings, nothing, so it's just single panel folded with no cuts, like everything is folded right here. And on this end, what we actually did, since this panel going on top of, so this is like inside, this is outside, but what we did, we made a little notch over here, recreated male seam on this panel instead of female, right? And then made so basically transgender it, cross-gender our panel right here. So that's created perfect, like you see, no cut, nothing, perfect seam. And so any water goes this way, like we have a little bit, like our panel goes under the flashing and it's basically just through. The idea is to keep as less screws as possible. This guy is really tight because it sits on some other pieces, and yeah, all down here.